Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving my thoughts on the just announced, well, I guess yesterday announced, Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Um, this is just my opinion. Google hasn't given me anything yet, maybe. I don't know. Um, so let's just get started. Intro. Okay, so personally, I might get the Pixel 6. I really like the Pixel 6. The design is out there, but that's sort of the color scheme of all the Pixels have been out there. Just the physical design hasn't. So they've really added a level to that. That camera visor is just it really stands out, and I think that's important. Every phone has something makes it unique, and I think the Pixel definitely has that. This is a big improvement from the Pixel 5. I don't personally have the Pixel 5, but from what I know about the device, I'm just going purely based off of the spec sheet and the description. Um, the Pixel 5 is just okay. It's a good phone. It gets the job done. It does everything you need to do. Right? That was sort of their idea. But for $100 less, you get basically all the same features that the 5 has, plus you get the underscreen fingerprint reader. You get the better cameras, and you get faster charging, both wireless and wired, for $100 less, and 5 years of software support. This is the big one for me. Everyone, all Android users, I mean, usually they want the latest and greatest, but this is really having the 5 years of software support is huge. Like that's a main reason I really like this phone is because it just has so much more time that you can use it and it stays up to date. Because I mean, if it's fast enough, we don't really know the speeds. I mean, if we wanted to do some intense math, we could, but uh, it's like if it is fast enough, it'll be optimized. And 5 years for $600, $100 less than Google's previous flagship for them phone, and you get 5 years of using the phone with good power, plenty of storage for most people. Like, what is not good about that? Now, different is said. I have a different opinion on the 6 Pro. The 6 Pro is $100 too expensive. Personal opinion. It doesn't add enough. The screen is on the really big side. The really, really big side. And I mean, the Pixel 6's screen is the standard 6 is also just has a big screen. 6.4 inches is not a small screen. And then you bring it up to 6.7. I don't see a majority of people wanting to put that in their pocket. That's going to be too big. And I mean, the only advantages you're adding is the bigger screen, which could also be a disadvantage. You're adding faster refresh rate, which I mean, except if people are gaming, which no one who's getting a Pixel is doing that for, especially if it's unproven performance. And the telephoto camera, which is reasonable. The telephoto lens is hopefully it works well. We have no way of really knowing. Google can optimize everything with lighting because then again, everything is lighting in photography and videography. So doesn't the phone can AI can only do so much. And I think if it were $800 or $799, I think that's a good deal because that's $200 more. And also you get the millimeter wave support, which isn't that big of a deal for anyone. But you get millimeter wave, you get the telephoto lens, you get faster refresh rate, you get a bigger screen. And the bigger screen, I wouldn't want that actually. The curved display, I mean it's a curved display. It's really just personal preference. No, some people will be against it. It might make it more slippery. It depends on what you do with your phone, if you put a case on it or not. So, I mean, if you're looking for a phone upgrade, or even if you're not looking for a phone upgrade for another year, get the Pixel 6. Because then, even if you don't need it now, if you need it in a year, it's still 4 years of a phone being supported. And that is game changing. Because now, I mean, what are all the other phone manufacturers going to do? They can't extend their software support because they're Qualcomm. So, I mean, I would get the Pixel 6. It seems like it's a really good deal. It's just a really good deal. You get the Pixel camera that's new and improved. You get all the AI with the Tensor SoC. It makes sense. It's that good. So yeah, hopefully maybe I'll be able to review it. But yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.